Hello and welcome to ICS Arabia. My name is Sulaiman Al-Hassawi and today's topic is tips and tricks ICS monitoring. Definition: Information security monitoring is having an awareness of information security, vulnerabilities, and threats. What are the issues in information monitoring? There are two issues. One, the overwhelming of information and data to monitor. Two, what to focus on, what type of information to focus on. So, what to monitor? Metrics. Metrics are the things you keep track of, like the number of vulnerabilities, their severity, access control, etc., etc. You decide what metrics you want to control, so you should monitor them often. 2. Volatile security controls, such as configurations. Configurations are important in security. They reduce the vulnerabilities and the chances that a threat can take advantage of. 3. Security controls on high-impact systems. 4. Security controls that provide critical security functions, such as firewall, intrusion detection system, etc. 5. Security controls with a weakness until this weakness is solved. 6. Low organizational risk tolerance. 7. Current threat information. 8. Current vulnerability and patching information. And last, critical or high risk assessment results. These are the data or the information that you should focus on. Of course, they are not exclusive, they are subjective, and it's up to the organization to decide what's important. Thank you very much, and stay tuned for other episodes in tips and tricks. My name is Sulaiman Al-Hassawi. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. Thank you.